Revamp your Mac desktop by changing folder icon colors. Change a folder icon's color using the Preview app. Right-click the folder icon. Select Get Info from the menu. In the Info window, click on the folder icon in the top left corner. It will highlight the icon with a blue outline. Copy the image by pressing Command+C on your keyboard. Open Preview. Go to a File in the menu bar and select New from Clipboard. Click on the Markup tool and select the Adjust Color icon in the Markup toolbar. Use the Tint slider for basic color changes. Use the Saturation and Exposure sliders for more detailed adjustments. After you've adjusted the color, copy the new image. Go back to Folder Info. Click on the folder icon and paste the new image by pressing Command+V. The folder's icon will then change to the newly colored image. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Change the folder icon using pre-colored icons. Search for a PNG image you want to use as your folder icon online. Once you find the image, copy it. Right-click the folder you wish to change and click Get Info. In the Get Info window, click on the small folder icon at the top left corner to select it. Paste the copied image. The PNG image will now replace the folder icon. Use third-party apps to change folder colors. Look for apps that allow you to change folder colors on the Mac App Store or through a trusted website. Follow the on-screen instructions to select and change the colors of your folders. Usually the process is similar to the previous methods. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.